marks the 16th night launch.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
We have an indication that the 3 main engines are ready for launch. Coming up very shortly at the T-minus 1 minute mark.
T-minus 1 minute.
At the T-minus 31 second mark, Discovery's onboard computers will have control of vehicle functions. T-minus 35 seconds.
DLS is go for auto sequence start.
T-minus 25 seconds.
20.
T-minus 15 seconds and counting. All systems go. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7. We have a go for engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Discovery now on its way to service NASA's Hubble Space Telescope.
Houston now controlling.
We're all programmed, Houston.
Roger, roll, Discovery.
Roll maneuver is complete aboard Discovery. The vehicle is now in a heads-down position on course for a 28.5 degree, 309 nautical mile orbit. Discovery already 1.5 miles in altitude, and downrange from the launch site 1.5 miles as well. Three main engines beginning to throttle down now as the orbiter prepares to pass through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. The 3 engines now at 67% of rated thrust. The engine's now beginning to throttle back up.
Discovery, go ahead, throttle up.
Go throttle up.
The 3 liquid-fueled engines are now back at full throttle. Discovery's altitude is 13 miles, downrange from the launch site 10.5 miles. Now traveling 1,800 miles per hour. The 3 good electrical systems or fuel cells and hydraulic systems providing the hydraulic power to the orbiter's engines. The solid rocket boosters beginning to tail off with their chamber pressure, standing by for burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. SRB separation is confirmed. 2 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Discovery is now downrange from the launch site of 40 miles at an altitude of 35 miles.
Performance nominal.
Performance thus far in the launch phase has been as expected. Three good hydraulic systems and fuel cells, and the main engines are still performing as expected at 104% of rated thrust.